Hello everyone, I'm Jana. Today I'm going to prepare a Arabic sweet dish, Qatayef. The main ingredients are wheat field custard powder, wheat field corn flour, suji, maida, a cup of milk, dry fruits, yeast, sugar and a pinch of salt. Now we will prepare the custard. 2 tablespoons custard powder, 2 tablespoons corn flour and milk. Mix it well. Cook it in medium flame. Now we will add 2 tablespoons sugar. Now we will make the batter for pancakes. Half cup maida, half cup suji, little yeast, little baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar and a pinch of salt and water. Now mix it well. Now it's ready. Let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, my batter is ready. Now I am going to make the pancakes. One side is ready, that is enough. Now I am going to make cones like this for filling. Now I will fill it with my custard, dry fruit powder on top, pouring sugar syrup or honey on top. My sweet dish Katayef is ready.